Did you know that the banana peel you usually throw away could be the secret to clear, glowing skin? Instead of wasting it, you can use it to treat acne, dark spots, wrinkles, and even brighten your complexion naturally. In today's video, I will share 8 powerful ways to use banana peel for clear skin, backed by science and natural beauty secrets. Stay with me until the end because I will also share a special banana peel face mask recipe that will completely transform your skin. And if you love natural skincare remedies, make sure to check out my previous video, 8 amazing beetroot leaves benefits. It is packed with skin, hair, and health benefits that you don't want to miss. Why banana peel? Bananas are packed with nutrients. But did you know that their peel contains even more skin-loving vitamins? Banana peel is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and potassium, all of which help reduce acne, hydrate your skin, and fight signs of aging. If you want to achieve a natural glow without spending a fortune on skincare products, this video is for you. Before we dive into these amazing remedies, make sure to subscribe to envilush for more natural skincare and beauty secrets. Don't forget to like this video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Benefits of banana peel for skin. Before we get into the remedies, let's quickly look at what makes banana peel so effective for clear skin. 1. Treats acne naturally. The peel contains antibacterial properties that help reduce breakouts and inflammation. 2. Fades. Dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C in banana peel brightens the skin and evens out the complexion. 3. Reduces wrinkles and fine lines. The antioxidants help boost collagen production, making skin look youthful. 4. Hydrates and softens skin. The high potassium content deeply moisturizes dry, flaky skin. 5. Soothes skin, irritation, and redness. If you have sensitive skin, banana peel can calm inflammation and redness. Now, move. 8. Simple ways to use banana peel for clear skin. 1. Banana peel spot, treatment for acne. Take a small piece of banana peel and gently rub the inner side on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this daily to reduce acne and blemishes naturally. If you have acne-prone skin, you might also love my previous video, 8 amazing beetroot leaves benefits. It includes a remedy that helps clear up breakouts fast. 2. Banana peel for dark circles and puffy eyes. Cut a banana peel into small sections and place them under your eyes. Leave them for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Repeat every morning to reduce puffiness and brighten dark circles. 3. Banana peel and honey mask for skin hydration. Mash 1 banana peel and mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply it to your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and enjoy deeply hydrated skin. 4. Banana peel exfoliating scrub. Dry out a banana peel and grind it into a powder. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Gently scrub your face in circular motions for 2 minutes and rinse. This removes dead skin cells and gives you a fresh, glowing complexion. 5. Banana peel and lemon juice for dark spots. Rub a banana peel on the affected areas for a few minutes. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Repeat every night for best results. Lemon juice enhances the brightening effects, making this a great remedy for dark spots and uneven skin tone. 6. Banana peel and aloe vera for sunburn relief. Blend 1 banana peel with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this cooling mixture to sunburned skin for instant relief. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. 7. Banana peel and yogurt. Anti-aging mask. Mix 1. Mashed banana peel with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply it to your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. This mask reduces fine lines, tightens the skin, and boosts collagen production. 8. Banana peel, ice cubes for glowing skin. Blend a banana peel with a little water and freeze the mixture into ice cubes. Rub an ice cube on your face every morning to tighten pores and refresh your skin. This is perfect for a morning skincare boost. Have you tried banana peel? Many people throw away banana peels without knowing how beneficial they are for the skin. Have you ever used banana peel in your skincare routine? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing about your experiences. Common mistakes to avoid when using banana peel on skin. Using old or rotten banana peels. Always use fresh banana peels for the best results. Not patch testing first. If you have sensitive skin, always test a small area before applying it to your face. Rubbing the peel too harshly. Be gentle when rubbing banana peel on your skin to avoid irritation. Best type of banana to use for skincare. For the best results, use organic bananas to avoid pesticide residue. Ripe banana peels are the most effective because they contain the highest amount of antioxidants. Banana peels are an amazing natural skincare remedy that can help with acne, dark spots, wrinkles, and more. Instead of throwing them away, start using these simple and effective DIY remedies to achieve clear, glowing skin naturally. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to envilush for more natural beauty secrets. And do not forget to check out my previous video, 8 Amazing Beetroot Leaves Benefits, where I share how beetroot leaves can transform your skin and overall health. I will link it in the description. See you in the next video. Until then, stay beautiful and take care.